gotta get this job. There's nothing to do here. Well, forget it. I'll just play the game instead. There's nothing to do for real. Just look at the cameras. Just camera one. Everything seems fine. Everything is fine, actually. What? Wait. This doesn't seem right. Don't tell me this is happening right now. I'll show you guys right now. I can't. The raptor is in the hallway. Huh? What's happening? What's happening? Don't check the cameras. It's still blank. Holy schnitzel! Oh, holy shoot! Oh god, okay. Close it with the big hand. Close it, Mr. Big Hand. Close it, Mr. Big Hand. Close it. It doesn't want to close. Big Hand, what are you doing? Guys, help! You're gonna be next!